Okay. Did you ever get into those? Actually, Yi is he in the chat? Yeah. Solo stocks are popping off. Yeah, everything is popping off. Everything. Brokers of financial that offer a competitive. Hmm. Competitive rates. Uh, mm, okay, perfect. Okay, one more DM. Na, 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 goodness. What a day! What a day! Seriously, what a day! What an absolute cooker of a day! And pizza is still going. Papa John's is still slowly creeping up, so that's not too bad, is it? Oh, I want to look at the S&P though. My goodness, guys! Like, how many times do we need to hit all-time highs in a week? Well, I mean, in a year, you know? My goodness, look at this. You know how they say the S&P, like S&P 10% a year. S&P doesn't give a damn this year, guys. Year to date, which means we could go up higher or we could sell off, but like we're up 16%. Like the S&P is cooking. Whew. I'm drinking like a smoothie and there's like it's cold, so like I'm a little bit chilly now. Oh, and it's not like it's hot to begin with, but like I'm cold. But 16% for the S&P. SPY is up 3% for the month. Almost 4% for the month. Crazy. Crazy. You weren't I was not expecting any of this like this entire week. This entire week I wasn't expecting anything like that. 16% in a single year for the S&P. S&P is going to become like S&P is higher than GME. Well, performing better than AMC. 95 degrees. 95 degrees. Well, it's not 95 for me. It's 51 Celsius. Not Celsius, sorry. That would be nice. It's 51 Fahrenheit. So it's not that hot. It's not that hot. But it should get warmer though as the week goes on. That today rain maybe? Rain. And then we go up to like 75, 82. That's it though. That's it. Sheesh, my goodness. SPY and then MBIO, guys. We've been talking about this one all day today. No one cares. You know what? Hate us. Hate us of beautiful weather, you know? Legend membership, better go. I would like to. No, 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 no. Okay. Mm, Hmm. Mm-mm-mm. Okay. Let me get you a link. NDRA. What's resistance, Binda? Your next resistance is 70 cents. I sent you an email. Yeah, I just responded to your email, River. Just respond. Did you become a member today? Or you said a bit ago, though. But yeah. But yeah, I just sent you an email, so should be good to go. But yeah, it says today for some reason, but yeah. So you must have signed up when we got off the stream then, maybe. Anyways, good afternoon, everybody. Welcome back. Welcome back. Welcome back. Welcome back. Welcome back. La, la. Was SINT another one? Yeah, SINT. Copy. Na, 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 na. There we go. Today, got the email. Thank you. Perfect. Yeah, so just click the link and then follow the steps in the getting started. You have to follow the steps in that channel, otherwise, it stays locked. Might be too late now. Okay, or did you make money on that thing already though? Yeah, so your next resistance is right below 70 cents here. So you're really close to that supply zone. A fatter wallet to hold your monies. Let's go, Dan. Let's go. Let's go. I mean, this was really the only stock that we liked, for the most part today. Right? We talked about this one quite a lot on the last stream. So, and it's still pushing. It's up 407% now. Like this thing cooked all day today. It's been cooking. So, congratulations if you're still in there. Since doesn't look too bad. It's sitting at the top there. So if that thing can break above 650, maybe after hours actually. TRNR looks like it's finding a base at $5. It's the same base that it's been holding though, right, Brad? So 510. I'm gonna call it 510. So 510, and that thing is pumping again. TRNR. So that does not look bad at all, right? TRNR with a nice little. You made $50. Monies war. Monies. Green is good. Green is always good. Yeah. Green is always good. So not sure why you're unable to set a stop loss. No, you're not. No, no. Can't put a stop loss if it. There we go. 58. Well done. I like it. I like it a lot. There we go. MBIO guys. Woo! As soon as we came back, the violence came back. You told me. I mean, it looks good. I didn't deny. Right? It looks good. Again, off $5. I think when we were leaving the stream earlier, Brad, it was doing the exact same thing. Like we were bouncing off $5.10, and then it came all the way back down for the third, fourth time, and it's bouncing up the same level. The only issue is that it has a lot of resistance though, closer to 580. So, yup. Again, since looks okay. The S&P is just an absolute monster, right? Just a monster. You know what I want to see for the S&P? I want to see the S&P break above like 550 this week, please. This week. Still on the watch list or just enough? I will have to take a look, Justin. I'll take a look. I'm sure it still is. I'm sure it still is. But MBIO looks good. Anybody still holding this? Type in yes if you're still holding MBIO. Yeah. I mean, I can see what you're looking at, Brad. So that's a breakout that isn't really a breakout, right? So if you look to the left hand side, if you look to the left hand side, you can see that that resistance is still there, right? So I'm going to zoom in right there. Notice that double pivot at 550, 565. It's still there. So that candle can push above and not close above, and it's not a breakout. So for now, it needs to break, but it does look good though. Above the demand, above the 200, above the 9. It's above everything, and it looks really good. So you just sold now at 69 cents. Come on, give me a high five. Let's go. 69 cents, guys. New highs of the day. MBIO. Cooking, cooking, cooking. Ooh, hoo, 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 hoo. Ooh, hoo, 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 hoo. Oh my goodness, that thing looks beautiful. That thing looks beautiful. Beautiful. My goodness. Love it. Let's see here. There we go. Cooking, cooking, cooking MBIO. 9,000 shares at 56 cents, sold at 66. Come on, give me a high five. That gold membership is paid for already, traders. Gold membership. Don't forget to schedule a one on one, alrighty? So we can chat at some point. You sold at 69 as well. Ooh, everybody just wanted to sell at 69, guys. Everybody's like, come on, get me out at 69, 69, 69. 69. I like it. I like to move it, move it. Scale. No, that's not what I. Do. I just need to clean out some of these things here. Love it. Stock General. Oh Lord, what's going on? Yes, but how do I schedule? You can't figure it out. I tagged you in Discord. So there's a channel. So of all the channels we have in Discord, one of them is called a one-on-one under the education section. You just have to click on the calendar. It's just a calendar, and then you just pick a date and a time, and then it lets you schedule. There we go. 72. Let's go. Your wallet after joining Hot Trades. Let's go, Jan. Let's go. I need to go find that GIF. Dan knows what GIF is coming. No, that's not the right GIF, but I'm just gonna use that one because the other one isn't loading. But yeah, again, congratulations if you're in this thing, guys. What a beautiful run this one's had today. From 12 pennies today, from 12 cents, by the way, from 12 cents, and we're not even stopping yet. Like that thing is just creeping up like not nobody's business. Uh, how do you know when you only need to sell or profits? Um, I mean, for you, it's a bit different because you were in quite a lot higher. So that's different. I prefer you sell your position and then look for a brand new position, and you're completely okay. But I can show you guys later today because I had a call, and that was one of the questions. Because one of the members bought at, like, in the teens and then sold around 40 cents, and they were wondering, like, do I just keep this for the entire day? And my answer is absolutely not. Like, if you buy this thing in the damn teens and you sell it at 40 cents and then it crashes to 30 cents, you did really well selling it. You just have to buy again if it's breaking out, or if you like and then they just got back in at 30 cents, which is perfect, right? So MBIO is absolutely cooking, just cooking, guys, cooking. Kitty keeps posting stuff. The Roaring Kitty. So I can look in a second. I can look in a second. What a beautiful run. Can you do some analysis on Crown? I will. I will. I don't think Crown is going anywhere, honestly. Are you in Crown already, Greg? Let me know if you are. No, Virgo. I like DJ Khaled. I think DJ Khaled is funny. I don't care about his personal life. I just think he's funny. Anyways, there goes the push to 74, and then we're selling off a bit. Let me look at the daily because I don't think we've looked at anything past, like, yeah. This is why we really don't look at some of the daily candles on these penny stocks. Is because there's a lot of room to the upside. Like, this thing can go all the way to 90 cents, but that's not a number that I would blindly just expect, though. You know what I mean? Like, it doesn't look like it. Like, this thing, honestly, like, if you look at that daily again, like, you look at this, you're like, where's resistance? Resistance was at 35 cents. There's no resistance to 80 cents after that, right? But we know that's not true, right? People are going to sell along the way. It's going to fail at 50 cents. It's going to fail at 70 cents. Like, it doesn't just go straight up. So with these penny stocks, you just have to, again, scale out, move your stop loss up, scalp it, come back in, get out, come back in, on the dip skis, right? SINT is kind of trying to curl off 615. Sinty. Nice little curl. The S&P, I mean, we don't really care for the S&P because SPY just cooks. SPY just goes for brand new highs. This almost looks like a retest of the 20 EMA and then consolidate. Let's see what happens. Don't forget to smash the like again, guys. Don't forget to smash a like, hit that subscribe if you're new, share the link. That's funny. Oh yeah, Tesla has been impressive today. But then again, like, all these large caps, all of them, they seem to want to cook today. Cooking today. Let me take a look at Crown. Trying. You're not in a position? Yeah, Crown looks okay. Is that the highs of the day? No. Really close though. What I like about Crown is that it stayed above 640, right? Like, at least today, it found a way to stay above that level all day today. Just make sure, like with BURU, those guys just they're getting delisted, right? Make sure when you hold penny stocks, you know that they're not getting delisted. So in terms of technicals here, honestly, this I hate when stocks are below, like, when a stock is below like 10 cents, I almost like to wait for it to go all the way to 5 cents, you know. But yeah, if you're in a position already, it looks fine as it's going, as it's fighting for the highs of the day. That's completely fine. If you're looking for a brand new position, I would honestly just wait for that thing to break above 7 on its own before you touch it. Anyways, back to the monster of the day, guys. We're back to the highs of the day. Woof! My goodness. Can't stop, won't stop. That thing is about to break above daily highs again. My goodness. Sheesh. MBIO. To look at Holo, now that it's 52-week lows, what is it at, Catalyst? What is it at? Nah. There goes brand new highs of the day. $1.18 for Holo. Oh my goodness, what a nasty stock. I mean, at this point, it just seems like a gamble because that thing can't seem to find a base anywhere, right? Until you watch it consolidate there for a few days, you're just guessing. Like I would be guessing too, to say that it's gonna hold that level. So I don't know. Do you guys like my stream mug? My streaming mug, stream mug. That's from the software that I use to stream with. Anyways, stream mug. There goes. Oh my days, guys. Whew. Oh my days. This thing is just gonna cook. This stock is just gonna cook all day today. All day today is just cooking. All day today. There's a link in the description, Gucci. Just cooking. You're still in there, Lucas? Lucas, how green are you? Just let me know. How green? 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 Let me know. Let me know. Let me know. Uh, how green are you? Why my thing isn't working? Why I hate when it does that. There we go. 78 cents, guys. Oh my goodness. 500%. You up $600 almost, Lucas. Whoo, 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 whoo. Is that Legend membership paid for already, Lucas? One trade, Legend membership paid, not Legend, Goats membership paid for? Goats? Goats paid for? My goodness, how are you guys cooking like that? Greener than who's, Dan? Oh my goodness. Cooking the fufu Monty. My goodness, guys. Sheesh. Goats is, come on, Lucas. Come on. The goats. In one trade, the goat is paid for. But Lucas, it's too much money. But it's paid for. Come to Hut Trades, Habibi. Let's fly to Dubai. Come on, for 3 months, Lucas. 3 months? Oh my goodness, what is going on? In one trade, you paid for 3 months? Sheesh, invest in yourself, people. Invest in yourself. Come on. And what? And thrust. Anyways, make sure you move up. Make sure you have a stop loss, Lucas. I will find you. Put a stop loss and then move it up, please. Don't lose that money. Don't lose it. Sheesh. After losing day after day, 4 days green after joining Hot Trades. Come on, Lucas. Dan sent you guys a gift, right? A gift. When you join, you need a bigger wallet. Once you become a member, you just need to go buy a new wallet. It might be empty, but just keep it there as like, manifestation. Cool. So Join and then 4 green days, Dan? What is this? Habibi, what is this? 3 months ago, I joined 3 months ago, I joined another group and suffered $6,000 losses within 2 to 4 days. Here, I'm profitable. I wish I had found you sooner. I stumbled upon your live videos on your worst day dolls. Well, that was a sign from the universe that today is your worst day, but today is this is the bottom. It's only up from here, only up from here. Whew, oh my goodness. You would think these are paid advertisements. Who paid these guys? Dan, did you pay them? Virgo? I blame you. What is going on? Anyways, congratulations though. Keep making monies, right? Make sure you're disciplined as you make monies. Please and thank you. Okay. Stop losses, stop losses, stop losses, stop losses, please, right? My last trading, I made a few plays and made profit. Thanks on SPY. Let's go. Look at that. Let's go. Love it. Money Mellow says I was down to 140. I was down to my last $140 in my trading account. I made a few plays on SPY, made $240 profits. Thanks for calling out entry on SPY. Just as you said, 544 and it ran up. Love it, Money Mellow. Love it. High five. Yeah. That's from the Sunday watch list, by the way. Spy breakout. Right? Love it. We need some DJ Khaled emojis. We need like gifts on stream, and emojis. Yeah, DJ Khaled emojis on stream. We do. Okay, I'm gonna work on that next weekend. Next weekend I'll do some DJ Khaled things. Anyways, yeah, this thing looks good. Like, do you see any signs of weakness here, guys? No signs of weakness, huh? It doesn't mean you just watch it though, right? Make sure your stop loss is in there because at some point, like I said earlier, there's no resistance to 90 cents, but at some point people are gonna start panicking, right? You can kind of tell that it's stalling already at 80 cents, so we need to clear 80 cents. As soon as I say that, it's like, oh yeah, you think so? You think we're stalling at 80 cents? Yeah, you want to bet? That thing just broke above 80 cents like it was nothing. Nothing, guys. Nothing. No resistance. Resistance? BISH where? Where? 82. My goodness, what an absolute beauty of a stock. Oh, you got approved? My goodness. Where, guys? Where? Yeah. Where? Yeah, that 90 cents Virgo, it's coming up really quickly, isn't it? If this thing crashes if that thing hits 90 cents and crashes Virgo, we're leaving the damn stream. leaving. Leaving. Because at this point it should just keep going. Look at that. 83 cents, guys. And eat your food. I promise I will not. I will not. Can't stop, won't stop. Uh Look at that thing go, guys. Oh my goodness. The market maker says, oh yeah, you want 90 cents? Yeah. Uh, I mean, we got pretty damn close. So let's see. Imagine it gets halted. It most likely will. If anything crazy happens, it's gonna get halted. Like if it pops, it's gonna get halted. If it dips, it's gonna get halted, because it's above 75 cents now. So if anything crazy happens, that thing is getting halted. Let's add a 39 with no 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 no. Let's go. Congratulations, Lucas. 1,000% runner. Yeah, we're sitting at 530% for now. Let's go, Vinda. Let's go. I just sold at 83 cents and made $5,000. Come on, Dan. Come on. Come on, Dan. What happened? Come on. Don't worry about after hours, Lucas. Put a stop loss now. Now, 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 now. Forget about after hours. There's still 50 minutes to go. There you go. Put a stop loss. Let's go, Binda. Because of you, I made money. God bless you. Well, God bless you too. Congratulations. I'm really happy you're making monies. Congratulations. We need the thrust beats. Where are the beats, guys? Where are the beats? Again, let's smash a like. All of you guys, smash a like. Smash a like, guys. Smash, smash, smash. Smash, smash, smash. Smash, smash, smash. Let's go. My screen is glitching a little bit. And then the thrust beats are coming, guys. Uh, why do I keep getting this little thing? It said not work. There we go. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, guys. Oh my goodness. Okay, there we go. 1 second. I just need to quickly edit it. Let us cook. Let us cook. 86. 86. Give us more, please. 87. Uh, wait. Did that? Oh, I see why. Okay. 1 second, guys. My stop isn't. Okay, there we go. Fixed. Look at that thing go, guys. 88 cents all day, all day. 590, 590%. 590%, guys. 590 cents, guys. 590%. There goes 600% almost. Sheesh. I'm still looking for the beats, guys. Don't worry, it's coming, it's coming. $1.50. Move that stop loss up, please. Up $700 now, Lucas. Whew. Lucas, you should at least walk away with $500, $600, please. At least. You should walk away at least with $500, $600. So put a stop loss. In the meantime, though, you guys know what to do, right? You know what to do. I don't need to remind you. Put your. If you're having lunch, put the spoon down, please, and thank you. If you're in class, please close the computer. Put your notepad down. Stop typing. Tell your instructor, "Daddy, chill." Come on, people. And what? Go. And what? And thrust. And thrust. And what? And thrust. Come on. To the left, to the right, slip slide, and what? Go. Make my knees, what? Get naked, what? And thrust. To the window, to the wall. When Lambo, come on. Skr skr. Come on. Go. 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 Make my knees. Get naked. And what? And thrust. And what? And go. 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 Come on. Put those hands up in the air, please. I don't expect you to just watch. I want to see you thrusting. Put those hands up in the air. If you're shy, give me the fist bumps. and what? And thrust. And what? And thrust. Go, 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 go. Let the sweat drip. Come on, drip. Here comes 90 cents. Let it drip. And what? Thrust. Go. Go. 90 cents, guys. No resistance till 90 cents. Let's go. And here's that 90-cent level we talked about. There's no resistance. That thing is just going, just cooking. My goodness, all your stress is melting away. Uh, I want to pause that music before I get copyright stuff. All day, baby. Right. So, okay, let me go back to the other playlist before I get in trouble. Come on, 93, guys. 93. We're not even stopping at this point, are we? 600%. My goodness. My goodness. Sheesh. 630%, guys. What are we doing? We're cooking. We're going for $1. $1 incoming, 700%. Oh my days. Oh my days. Oh my days. Can't stop, won't stop. 630%. I would be careful though, right? Lucas is up $800 now. He put $500 in, he's up $800 now. So Lucas, congratulations. Move that stop loss up. Again, as every $100, you also move your stop loss up. Cool. Like if you're up $800, there's no way you walk away with less than $600, $700, right? $500. Wait until the new members see 1500%. Was this posted in Discord, guys? I don't know. Anyways, did we catch this, guys? Like in the morning? I don't know. Maybe, right? Maybe not, right? We might have missed it. Not, not, not. Remember when this thing was up 56%, guys? Remember? Anybody remember that? 56%? Well, to 600%. So, again, if you're not a member, you're missing out. Missing out big time. So, come join us in Discord, guys. No more slacking. Stop slacking. Make monies. Ready? Click the link at the bottom of the chat there from Nightbot. Come join us. Here goes a sell off, right? Don't think anybody's expecting, right? Don't think anybody's expecting to just cross above $1 like that, right? This is the strongest resistance you're going to face all day today. 98 cents, 99 cents, $1. So as we get to that level, people want to take some profits. It doesn't mean we're going to go all the way to the abyss, but people are going to take profits. So a little retest of the 9 EMA. Let's see if we can consolidate above the 9 and then push back for $1. But again, make sure you have stop losses and you're moving those damn stop losses higher. Stop losses, move them higher. Stop losses, move them higher. And I'm watching this, having fun. It's like calling a horse race. Yeah, we're going for $1. Anyways, cooking. And try to play breakouts. You never know if that's gonna run like this. No. Moving stop losses. Exactly. So, I know a whole bunch of people sold this earlier, and that's completely okay, right? It's not every day that you see a stock go from like 13 cents all the way to $1, right? So if you sold along the way, you just have to be grateful for the profits and just move on, right? Exactly. If you're still in here, congratulations. If you're still holding this, type in yes in the chat. Type in yes if you're still holding. Ricky says, can you help me? I'm trying to find step-by-step procedure to follow for a gap go strategy. Any recommendation? Procedure, gap and go. Yes. I mean, so I know what you're referring to. I would just have to leave this chart to go look at something else, though. I will in a second. Once we kind of slow down a bit, and then I will. The S&P is cooking, guys. Like SPY is going for all-time highs again. Like what's it is gap and go. Sounds like a bit of a. Anyways, yeah, gap and go is more so something that you use for like larger cap stocks, to me at least. But yeah. You sold a little bit at 94. Well done, CM. Well done. Bill, well done. Dolls, your third time 61. Well done. Lucas is gonna diamond hand this thing. Lucas, if you go red on this play, I will fly to wherever you're at using your credit cards. I will slap you, and then I will leave. Using your credit card again. But I'll make sure that I have lunch first on your credit card. So make sure you have a stop loss, right? Make sure you have a stop loss. NDRA. What's your position, traders? Ooh, what's your position, NDRA? 15 cents. I bet you there's going to be a penny stock that runs tonight because of what's happening, right? 600%. People pay attention. So it looks good. It looks really good. I'm not sure if you're in there though. Let me know if you are, because I'm not exactly sure what your question actually is. So it looks really good. It's up 52% now. I bet you some money is rotating into this one now too. You have 15,000 shares at 15 cents. Okay. Your entry is a bit. You're looking for a breakout here, it seems. So as long as it stays above 15 cents for now, you're fine. So if these candles can keep closing above 15 cents, you're fine. If not, your next support is 14.60, and then you're looking for this bottom right above the VWAP at 14 cents. You don't want to be holding that thing below 14 cents though, please. Cool. Okay. Back to MBIO. You're done for the day, Fihi. Congratulations. Bye. Congratulations. Yeah. Lots of yeah. No, that's okay. That's okay. FFIE looks interesting, doesn't it? Yeah. You're looking for scalp, Tesh? Were you watching? You were watching the Euros, weren't you? And then you missed it. Um, it's a dollar. It's a dollar. It's like the most common level, right? It's a dollar. I would be really tempted to go right below 15 traders, especially since you've had a good day today. You don't want to ruin that, right? So I would be very tempted to go right below 15. For now, it looks really good, right? Once we cross above 16 cents, I would almost say move that stop loss to break even, so you're guaranteed not to lose anything, right? Like NDRA looks really good for now, and it's kind of looking like the next vibe, isn't it? But yeah, so 16 cents cross that, and then but yeah, you should have a stop loss in there already anyways. Yeah, MBIO looks like it's stalling. I don't think that's a surprise, is it? Like it's a dollar. Like this thing went from 13 cents to $1. People are taking profits, right? How much time do we have? Okay, 37 minutes left, guys. So just be mindful that at some points people might want to take profits before the market closes. So Lucas, what's your stop loss at now? What's your stop loss at now? Let me know. 75 made profits, and yeah. No, don't worry about it, guys. Everybody is kind of annoyed that they sold too soon. Don't worry about stuff like that, please. I do at 13 cents. Yeah, okay. I would almost move that stop loss a little bit higher. I wouldn't leave it because your stop loss right now is right here. Like your stop loss is below the 200, right, all the way down there. That's a pretty drop. That's a pretty big drop. So I would almost be a bit more aggressive, because if it's going to go to 13 cents and you sold at 15 cents, well, or 14 cents, you can buy back cheaper, and it's easier for you to. Alrighty. Yeah. No, Lucas, you've done really well. So you should be very proud, right? You should be very, very proud. So congratulations. It's not every day that someone puts $500 into a stock and then they make $800, right? $500 to $800. Sheesh. So yeah. Apple is near resistance. Okay. To get over the hill. I hope so. I hope so. It almost looks like it's. I think Virgo. Like if we had a few hours left, I would say yes. I just hope that this is not a setup for people, to take profits in, like at the end of the day. But it does look fine to me, though. I hope they're fueling it for the next rockets. The next rockets. Come on. The next rocket. Yeah, you heard it. The next rockets. Anyways, so if we can close the candle above 93 cents, I think we're going to push up. But if we close the candle below 90 cents, then we might go back. We might sell off to the low 80s again. So for now, it's 93 versus 90 cents, like the close of the candle. Right? You notice how the last 5 minutes we've been sitting here, and the wicks are going to 93 and then bouncing off like the VWAP, the 9 EMA, but then closing above 90 cents. So it's going to need to make a decision here soon. It almost looks like a T-Rex, doesn't it? But almost like it looks like it's setting up for a nice little retracement. And there goes 88 cents. Let's see where this candle ends up closing at, because it's not too far away from 90 cents still. La 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 la. There it goes. There it goes. Are we surprised, guys? Nope. Nope, 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 nope. You know what's crazy is that thing, Lucas. I bet you Lucas is this thing wants to pay Lucas. You sold at 85 cents, okay? Because that thing never actually tapped 85 cents. Did it actually tap? No, it doesn't look like it did. Did it tap for you, Lucas? Because it doesn't look like it did for me actually. Hmm. La, 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 la. Put short term. Is it good? Okay, we're going back to 85. Okay, it finally tapped 85 this time, and then 83. So as soon as we closed below 90 cents, yeah, it had to go back and retest the low 80s now. So surprise? No, not really. Right? Again, like I said earlier, like it's the last 30 minutes before the market closes. So people might be looking at this and saying, you know what, maybe I should take profits so I'm not holding overnight, right? Like it's 600%. Like 600% is impressive. It's not very every time I try and say like 600% is not common, I remember that like there goes 83 cents, guys, right? People locking, there goes 82 cents, right? People panic when it goes down and they sell. So you want to make sure that stop loss is tight and you're ready to exit, right? And then you can always get back in when it consolidates, curls, or you get a brand new breakout. Yeah, and then and look at this one. This looks really good. And NDRA looks nice, right? It's almost 17 cents. Yeah, it's curling up really nice and slow, but it looks really good. Almost like the money's rotating from one play to the other play, right? A dollar is a really, 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 really common. Like, look at that, 80 cents, guys, right? Whenever you get close to a dollar, like it's a really common area for people to take profits. It's not a surprise, is it? Look at that, 79 cents. Surprise, not, right? So $1 is a solid level to sell at. So if you sold in the 90s, congratulations. Let's see if we can consolidate though. If the market wasn't closing so soon, I would say we consolidate and then we go again. But the fact that we have with the market closes soon, I don't know what happens after hours. Yeah. So am I cutting off? I don't. I shouldn't be. So you're looking for Apple puts, basically short-term Apple puts. Let me take a look. AAPL. I mean, so Apple likes to push closer to 220. I mean, the last two times, like the last 2 days, it's done that. Um, last week and then this week, right? So I don't know how I feel about Apple puts though in the short term. If I was looking for Apple puts, like if I was looking for Apple puts and I took those Apple puts, I would sell those Apple puts if Apple broke above 220.20, right? All time highs for Apple is 220 and 20 cents. So I would get rid of that position if it did. So if you do take those puts, just understand that you're betting against the market when the market is clearly bullish, right? This might also just be a blow off top for the market. Like we might have a crazy run like this, and then tomorrow we have a bloody red day. So I can kind of see where you're coming from. Just make sure that again in that position you close that position though. If we break above 220, right? If Apple breaks out like that, you want to get rid of that position. Otherwise, you're going to be picking candy. Um, beside the bridge. Um, so just be ready, please. SINT, yeah, SINT looks okay. It's still holding $6, so that's good. MBIO 78. That thing sold off to 76 cents. So Lucas, are you happy? Should be, right? So that thing lost another 10 cents after your stop loss hit. So congratulations on the gains, by the way. Uh, Super thrust. Super thrust, there goes 74 cents, right? Profit taking into the end of the day. Surprise. Not really. So let's see what happens here. It looks like as this one is selling off, people are also panicking on the other one, right? So this one seems like NDRA just seems like a sympathy play. Your next support for this one is 14 cents, right? 14 cents on this one. And then your next resistance is 16.20. Um, already. Okay, back to type in yes if you think MBIO is done. Type in no if you don't think it's done. Congratulations, Lucas. Oh, no, 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 no. Type in yes if you think it's done. Type in no if you don't think it's done. You think we get some after hour fun? Type in no. Doo, 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 doo. Uh, there you go. Everybody's like, I don't know. See, that's the confusing part when you go into the closed door, right? So yeah, congratulations, Lucas. Congratulations. Congratulations. Uh, again, don't forget to smash a like, guys, if you haven't already. Let's get to 100. So smash a like if you haven't. Hit that subscribe if you're new to the channel. And if you're not a member yet, you know what to do, right? Click the link at the bottom of the chat there from Nightbot. Come join us in Discord. Cool? Cool. Here we go again. Here we go again. Can we stay above 75 cents now? If we can stay above 75 cents and get back above 80 cents, that would be nice. So you guys kind of notice how, like, when we're dropping, so if you're watching these candles, right, as long as one candle gets, as long, if you're watching the candles, if one candle gives you a brand new low, that just means we're going to continue doing that, right? So you notice how, like, when you're dropping like this, you have a low and then you have a new brand new low on the next candle, and then you have a brand new low, and then you have a brand new low, and then you have your, so that only changes when one of these candles reverses and you don't get a brand new low, and then that's when you get a green candle. Hopefully that makes a little bit of sense. If it doesn't, then ask. But so that almost in a sense is like you're looking for consolidation, like on a really small time frame. You're looking for consolidation. Alrighty, it looks like NDRA is bouncing off 14 cents, so that's good, right? Beautiful demand zone right above the VWAP and the 200. So hopefully it stays above 14 cents. And then MBIO is back to 80 pennies. 80 pennies. Young, just be careful, right? If you're be very careful with these names, guys, into the close, especially the ones that are not actually running, right? If you're holding a penny stock, make sure you look at the SEC filings, because there are times where you're holding something and then the company, the stock gets suspended after hours and then delisted. So a lot of these penny stocks get delisted. So make sure you're looking at what you're holding overnight. Make sure the company isn't about to do an SEC filing or do an offering. MBIO, again, these guys have an S1 open. So at some point, they're going to do an offering. At some point, they're going to be like, thanks, guys. Thanks for coming. Bye. Right? So make sure you're secure in profits. If you're holding overnight, make sure you're not holding your entire position. Right? Take some risk off the table. Pay yourself on the way up. Because tomorrow you're going to see a whole bunch of people spamming, like they're going to be like, oh my goodness, the shorts have to cover, it's going to $3 like FFIE. I bet you watch tonight, you're going to see a whole bunch of videos on YouTube. It's going to $5 like FFIE, and then they're going to disappear after you get bagged. So yep, those are the same people that was spamming FFIE at $3, $5, right? Or $4, whatever the price was. So make sure you secure monies on the way up, and don't end up going to the bridge. Because as much as we did really well for FFIE, like FFIE, we talked about FFIE from 5 cents all the way to $4, right? Hopefully this does the same. But there are also people that bought at $4 and rode it all the way back down to 50 cents. So make sure you're not one of those people. No, 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 no. Here you go. No, I think you're delayed, dolls. You're delayed. Make sure if you're watching the stream and you notice that, it's most likely because you're delayed. So just make sure the red dot is always on your stream. If the red dot is on, you're alive. If it's not on, you're probably delayed. So make sure you're not delayed. Did I unmute my? Oh, yeah, I did. I did. So at some point, MBIO is going to do an offering and the stock is going to crash. You have to run, Lucas. Congratulations. Well done today, by the way. Right? Yeah, leave it there. You made 100% today. Like, how much better can it get? Right? So we're back to 85 cents now. Right? Beautiful, nice little consolidation. Right? Those three candles. So we get consistent fat red candles, and then all of a sudden we get a few candles holding, and then boom skis. Back to 85 cents. If this thing goes back into the 90s and we're pushing $1 at the end of the day, it's going to be fun. Well, until the company ruins it by doing an offering. $86 pennies. Up next for sure. I hope so. There goes 87, guys. Ooh, wee. Oh my goodness, 88. Sheesh. What an absolute beauty. What an absolute beauty. Do, 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 do. What an absolute beauty. 88 pennies, broken, 88.50. It's a race. A race to the Lambo dealership. Uh, there we go. 89, guys. We're back to 90 cents. We're back to 90 cents. My goodness. I mean, it's going to have a lot of resistance up there now, but we're back to 90 cents. It's failing at 90 cents now though. So you notice how Lucas, don't worry about it. Like it's at 84 cents now. So 90 cents is going to be your next resistance, right? So 90 cents was the level that we mentioned earlier that if it broke below 90 cents, we would flush. So what happens usually is we go back up to retest, right? So basically think about it this way. Like you have a level that, like, I don't know, I don't really have a good analogy for this, but you break below support, right? You go back up to make sure to test that the support is now resistance. So if we want to run again, we need to break above 90 cents and hold 90 cents. So I would not be overly concerned if it's below 90 cents. If it breaks 90 cents and it's holding, then it wants to go again. But if it's below 90 cents, then be very careful because that might just be a retest of resistance, right? So same thing on the way down. Like when a stock breaks up and then it comes back to test that support and then goes back up, that's the exact same thing it's doing. So it's going to need to clear 90 cents, close above 90 cents, consolidate above 90 cents, and then send it. So there you go. 90 cents. Come on, break it, break it. You've been scalping, Nonya? I like it. I like it a lot. Uh, la. Anyways, uh, wait, what do you mean? Maybe. I get something was fun watching today. Absolutely. So you notice how it's failing at 90 cents, guys. So I wouldn't be panicking like, oh my God, I missed the dip. I missed it. Because that's how they get you. Look at that. We're back to 82 cents now. Right. So the only difference now though is if we fail to go like if we stay above 74 cents, like that technically is a higher low. The only problem is the market closes in 20 minutes. Like if we had all day still, like this would be a nice scalp, right? The market closes in 20 minutes, so we're just gonna have to wait and see what happens at the end or after hours. So if you're holding this still, you want to see that thing stay above 75 cents and then clear 90 cents. That would be perfect, right? And then send it. And then send it. So hopefully you guys took some profits on this one, please. This is what I mean. Like, honestly, these are penny stocks, right? NDRA, right? Like these are penny stocks. If you bought at 15 cents, the damn thing is at 16 cents. Put your stop loss at break even. Put your stop loss in the green, right? Buy back cheaper if you have to. Don't just wait. Because you wait and it crashes and it doesn't come back, and then you're in trouble, right? Or you put your stop loss at 13 cents. That thing was really damn close to hitting that stop loss, right? I'd rather you be aggressive with that stop loss and then buy cheaper than just sit and wait, because that thing will eventually go to that stop loss and hit anyways, and then you just lost monies for no reason, right? If a stock breaks above a certain level, right? If I know that my breakout is 15 cents, right? If that stock breaks above that level, if it's really gonna go, it shouldn't come back below 15 cents. If it does, then I should be closing that position and then buying back cheaper, right? I'd rather sell this thing at 15 cents and then buy back at the 200. Easy monies, right? Or your risk is minimized. You just took 2 cents off the table, right? 15, 14, 13. You bought 2 cents cheaper. That makes a difference. Yeah. So I mean, this one does look interesting though. Like it does look interesting. NDRA. It almost looks like it's the only sympathy play that like looks like it might do something. So maybe we keep a close eye on NDRA after hours because it might do some things. So for now, we wait. We wait. Yeah. So hopefully it stays above the 200 for now. AZTR, yeah, I saw that one pumping in Discord. Interesting with three higher highs and resistance. GME, yeah, yeah. No, AZ's done really well. True, 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 true. Let me edit that actually. Maya, and it's time to upgrade. Yes, upgrade, please. Yeah, maybe get a different broker. Yeah, some of these brokers are meant for investing. Invest and meant for investing, not moving as quick as you do, right? So yeah, so that thing is bouncing up the 200. That's good. MBIO guys still holding 80 cents, so that's good. Let's see how we close. Anybody planning on holding anything overnight? Anything? What are you guys planning on holding? La la la. Any overnight swingies? Let me take a look at AZTR though, because that one's been spamming a few times. I've ignored it, but it's also done really well, right? This is one that I wasn't talking about on stream, but this thing has been all over Discord, and it's actually done really well, right? It's almost like every single day we show up and talk about the same thing, but on a different chart, which is amazing, right? Just repetitive stuff, and for the most part, that's what like technical analysis is. No, 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 no. You're holding in NDRA Nitro. Okay, sounds good. Yeah, as long as it stays above 14 cents, I don't mind. As long as it stays above that level, I don't mind. Someone was asking for Apple puts. Did you buy your Apple puts? Because Apple is retracing. The market is retracing into the end of the day. Did you buy those Apple puts? Okay. The Apple puts. It took me out of 40 cents. You had 10,000 shares. You got busy and you didn't come back, Mini. Oh my goodness. Kid, I'm telling you, come join us in Discord and you will not miss these plays, right? I think people really underestimate the power of like having people that, talk about stonks, having a community because you were busy and you're like, you know what, do. I don't know what's happening, do. But like if you're busy and you check Discord really quickly, you know exactly what's happening because it's been all about MBIO today, right? So again, join us in Discord. It makes it easier for you. No, Antonio, no. What's it's a different name. A different name. Azitra. Health technology. Anyways, back to MBIO guys, retesting that bottom. So this is what I mean, right? Just because the stock is pushing back up doesn't mean it looks amazing. This is basically how they catch retail, right? They're like, oh, we're going back up, guys. We're going back up. We're going back up. We're going back up. No, like it's basically just going back up to retest the level that we broke down from. That level will always be retested, always. Right? When you go up, you come back to retest support. When you go down, you go back up to retest resistance. So for now, that thing needs to stay above this 75 cents. If it can stay above 75 cents, then it looks like a double bottom, and then maybe we run again after hours. But also, there's an offering coming at some point. So just keep that in mind. Dolls, I don't remember. Or something else, I don't remember. Dolls. I think it was Apple puts. Someone was asking back in the day. It should be like you mean the like it was we used it when we thrust it like this one on the top right. That one, yeah. In at 13 with 75, Jennifer. Okay. Yeah, your position should be, I want to say okay, but you never know with these penny stocks, honestly. But 13 cents isn't too bad. Just make sure you have a mental stop loss. Like there has to be a level that you're not willing to go below, right? There has to be a level that you're like, you know what? There's no way I'm going below this level. So, and if you're holding overnight, make sure that it's not a massive position. Then that thing drops 50%. You're in trouble tomorrow. Pretty please. So there goes the bounce of 77 cents. So for now, MBIO needs to stay above 75 cents. And if it does, fine, right? If we break above 90 cents again, somebody call the police because we're going to be thrusting again. Thrusting again. Yeah, that's a lot of volume. 1.1 billion in volume for MBIO. Whew. All of it is hot trades monies. I'm kidding. I'm kidding. Kidding. 100 million of it is Dan's money, and then 100 million is Virgo's money, and then. Anyways, I'm just kidding. La, 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 la. Kidding. Is FinTel data accurate? Showing off. Uh, Anyways. Greg, I am innocent. I am innocent, please. Innocent. I want to see at least one of these names though continue after hours and then pump again tomorrow because a nice penny stock theme for this week would be nice. Dan's 100 is you're like 100. Yeah. Yup. Dan is at the Lambo dealership already. At the Lambo dealership, Dan. That dude made how much? Sheesh. That's crazy. Where's Virus? Virus has been slacking today. I'm kidding. Virus is busy. Uh, Kidding. There we go. And then make sure that I'm not holding crazy stuff overnight, please, because I don't want violence. Um, Too hard to trade and be at the beach. My stop didn't go through since you're using a device to cancel and the other device to create a stop loss. So not sure what happened. I'm not sure. Kind of, but that 90 cent level is still there though. So Now it's between 75 cents and 90 cents basically. So as much as it looks like it's a higher low, which it is kind of, it's also a lower high, right? Like we're kind of trending down now. So we have this high, then we have that 90 cent fail, and then we have another lower high. So it's kind of trending down at the same time as it is, trying to trend up. So 75 cents, break below that, finish, right? To straight to the abyss. Break above 90 cents, Christmas. So 90 cents versus 75 cents. And the S&P is, yeah, I mean, people are locking in gains. My goodness, SPY is like, excuse me, somebody turn up the lights. I want to go home. Damn, SPY. Markets close in 5 minutes, guys. And the S&P is looking for violence. Look at MBIO, right? So again, 90 cents, problems. So we have issues until we break above 90 cents. Exactly, right? People taking gains into the end of the day, guys. Not none of this is a surprise. DXF has done some interesting things. Yeah, I know you guys hits is spamming DXF in the chat. It's done well. There you go, 75. Uh, they're having issues. Program, yeah. There goes new lows. Right, there goes new lows from that 90 cents. Right, so at seven we tap new lows at 70.74. Surprise, not. So until this thing clears 90 cents, it's not ready to go anywhere. So be careful, please. If these candles can close above 75 cents, though, we might still be okay. As much as I said, like I said, 75, yeah, the bottom of the candle, like the bottom pivot of the candle, like in the Bollinger Band, that thing's at 74 cents. So if it can close above 74 cents, then we might have a chance. But really, it's going to need 90 cents if it wants to push again. Hmm. Crazy world. Hey, yo, Troy, good afternoon. Yeah, so it looks like that candle stayed above the left-hand side pivot as well. So let's see. And then NDRA is still holding at 1314-ish. Hopefully it stays above it. Hopefully it stayed above, but we had a 600% day, guys. 600%, almost 700%. Isn't that crazy? Crazy, huh? Crazy, huh? I'm just looking to see if there's anything I like to swing overnight. Uh, quite a few like pump and dumps. There's a lot of them though, like just pump and dumps, which is interesting. Anyways, again, don't forget to smash the like, guys, if you haven't already. Congratulations if you made monies today. Like if you've had an amazing day today, type in yes in the chat, which a lot of you guys have. Right? If you've had a good day today, the day is not done yet, right? We still have after hours, and these things are not done. We can keep going, but if you've had a good day today, type in yes, which like a lot of you guys should have had a good day today. Right? So again, congratulations. For those of you guys that are not members, you're not a member in Discord, you're not a legend member. Again, you're missing out, right? So, like I said earlier this morning, as soon as we came on stream, we started talking about MBIO, right? From 13 cents, 20 cents, 40 cents, 50 cents, 60, 70, 80, 90 to a dollar, right? The news was posted in Discord. Everybody was spamming this thing from the very beginning. So again, if you're not a member yet, you're missing out, right? You guys made money. Some of you guys were selling this thing already at the open, right? So again, congratulations. Well done today, right? Well done, well done. And if you're not a member yet, click the link at the bottom of the chat, right? Come join us in Discord because you're slacking. Make sure you sign up for the right level, though. Don't sign up for the sold out stuff because you're not going to get access. Learn new stuff, Justin. Absolutely. There goes 73 cents, guys. Right? Profit taking. Well done, Virgo. Well done, Greg. Everybody that said yes. Highest vibe, Moaz. Well done. Hit Green. Thank you very much. Glad you could join us. It was a great Monday, Dennis. I like it. I like it. You never know like what to expect in the market, and that's the beautiful thing. Market closed. VRPX. VRPX. Interesting. Where did I drop that thing? And it's trying to bounce after hours, though, isn't it? 1 second, guys. Breaking stuff is what I'm doing. Breaking stuff. There you go. After hours. There it goes. Mean what? That steal your monies and provide nothing in return? Yes, Pablo. Yes, Peter. There it goes. Yeah, let's give it a few minutes and then we can keep watching in Discord. Got Anta Deep. Tomorrow will be revenge. Oh, that's funny. Funny. He called me Pablo. I know. I know, Peter. Sorry. 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 Nvidia is selling off. It looks like everything kind of sold off at the end of the day. Pizza says I made $300 in MBIO, but then lost $950 in BRNR. It's all right though. The next day, absolutely. What BRNR? Like TRNR? Like this one? You diamond-handed this thing, Pizza. How the hell am I supposed to be? Now both pizzas are. Oh my days! Like, yeah. Next time, pizza though, if you're gonna take $300 from one play, don't hold a $900 loss on another play, right? No, that's completely fine because I know you're doing really well. So yeah, next time, just like if you're gonna take small gains on one, cut the loss quick on the other one as well, and then you should be okay. Be like pizza. Don't be like pizza. Anyways, let's give it a few more minutes, guys, and then we can hop off and go back to Discord. Deal? Anyone else having issues with YouTube chat? Yeah, YouTube chat like is really weird. Sometimes it doesn't let everybody type. Anyone else having yeah? Like sometimes it lets you chat, and sometimes like Troy is having issues with typing on YouTube. I don't know. Test, there you go. It's working now. So like some days it works, some days it doesn't work. Yeah, so yeah, VRPX or something like that. I saw that one. Saw that one. Yeah, there it goes. $1. $1 test. VRPX. Is it actually gonna break above a dollar though? Because that thing's like, that thing's like, hey, look at me, I'm the captain now. Until Peter Fomos. Sheesh. It's a nice little push, isn't it? Yeah. Again, these after hour plays are like, if the news isn't amazing, like they're really nice for like quick pump and dumps. You get in, you get out really quickly. Because this one doesn't actually have any news. There's no news on this one. Yeah, no, there's no news here. So it just seems like a nice little pump and dump. NLSP seems to be bouncing too. Who does Los? Who does Endra is a strong buy? By who? Who's telling you that? This one? Who's saying that? The S&P really dropped at the end. And just like that, it's back below dollar. MBIO is still holding up. Still holding 70. Yeah, so let me know if you have any last questions, guys. Any questions at all. And then again, don't forget to smash a like, please, and thank you. 30 more people smash a like. Let's get to 100. Come on, smash, please, and thank you. And then we're gonna continue in Discord. Alrighty, so make sure you smash a like, hit that subscribe if you want to join us. If you missed this play today and you're not a member, invest in yourself. Come join us in Discord, right? So let's see if this one can stay above the 200 EMA now. Yeah. In TradingView, oh yeah, don't pay attention to that stuff, please. Yeah. Would I hold that thing overnight? No. It also depends. Like if you bought this thing at 20 cents, right? Then okay, fine, maybe give it a little bit of time. But I don't think anybody should be worrying about overnight when you have 3 hours of after hours left. There's no way you should be focused on that stuff, right? I mean, at the end of the day, like if this thing is pushing and it's holding 90 cents, it's breaking above a dollar, and then that's an easy answer, right? But so you have a lot of hours left in after hours to decide if you're going to hold something overnight. So don't worry about that yet. If you have a really good entry, pick a level and don't let it go below. And if it doesn't go below, then make your decision later instead of. And like I said earlier, like these guys are gonna dump an offering later, right? They have an S1 open, whether that's tonight or tomorrow or at some point. MBIO is gonna do an offering, and then the stock is gonna be back to the abyss. For now, though, we hope that it doesn't, but who knows? You know. CISO. Okay, so VRPX finally came out with the news. Almost like somebody knew that it was coming before it actually came out. Provides business update. So it looks like the company only exactly, Troy. That's the issue. That you didn't earn. Something that wasn't yours. I know this is a trick question. Something that you didn't earn. Uh, huh. I'm trying to think now. Peter, just spill the answer already. Spill. What's Peter saying? I'm thinking. Hmm. I knew it. I didn't even take it, Peter. I didn't even take it. I was trying to shoot it down. I didn't even take it. Unbelievable. I wish I did though. I wish I. Peter and I are playing Call of Duty, right? And Peter cheats all the time. Cheats all the time. Like when I say cheats, like like it's a fair game. We both have guns, and then all of a sudden Peter calls in the Goliath, and then and then he's like, "I won the game." I'm like, "You just cheated." Unbelievable. Peter just gets scared, because he knows I'm gonna win, and then he just panics. Official, you probably would. Like the only Call of Duty that I play is like Call of Duty Mobile. So like I'm not that good. I was just gonna pull that up, Greg. 70%, yeah. NLSP. It's a pretty nice push, isn't it? Actually, that's a really nice looking chart. 15 cents. It's not bad at all, Greg. Yep. NLSP. A nice little breakout. That thing has stayed above the 9 EMA the entire time since it broke above 13 cents. That was a really good close. 15.25. Yeah, that was a good close for NLSP. It steals the cookies. Yep. Yep, yep, yep. Cookies. I mean, cookies are for sharing, Troy. Like, why are they keeping the damn cookies? There we go. 20. Oh, wow. That thing looks good. Meeting. There you go. What's a day, guys? ELWS with some news. Regain compliance. Nasdaq. Yeah, compliance. I mean, can we get a run on NLSP like we did on MBIO? Speaking of MBIO, MBIO is holding like 69 cents, the 200 EMA. But what a beauty, though. What a beauty. As soon as we came back on stream, that thing just started going. 60 cents, 70 cents, 80 cents, 90 cents, a dollar. From 12 cents, 13 cents to a dollar. And Lucas, since you sold this thing, it hasn't been back up to the crazy numbers. So you should be smiling. Happy days for you, right? It has support at 69 cents now. So if it can stay above 69, not bad. But that offering is coming though. Anyways, the S&P we don't really care about for now. NLSP is cooking though. NLSP is cooking. Oof, that thing looks good. Looking good, NLSP. Looking good. 25 pennies. Did you FOMO into this thing, Greg? I hope you did. I hope you did. Yeah, that was a good close for this stock. It actually was very consistent with the way that it was pushing into the close. Oh yeah, it came up on the scanner. I just never looked at it because we were too focused on MBIO. Now I'm a bit annoyed because that would have been an easy swing. 15 cents pushing into the close, easy swing. Yeah, I slacked on this one. This would have been an after-hour swing for official for sure. But yeah, official. When you're looking for swings, you can usually find them the last 10 minutes, the last 20 minutes. So when you're asking for swing like an hour, 2 hours before, like you just can't find that stuff because it depends on the way that the candles. It depends on the way that we close, and if it's not closing like this, then it's no go. Easy swing. There we go. Oh, did it? 11. When I say swing, yeah, I mean like hold into after hours and then make a brand new decision, right? So when I'm looking for a swing play, what I'm looking for is again a solid close, right? And then that makes it easier for you to hold into after hours. But the stock also has to perform after hours for you to make a brand new decision to hold overnight, right? If I say, hey, I want to swing this stock, and then I buy after as the market is about to close, or into the end of the day, and then I hold it after hours. And after hours, it's being funky, it's slowly selling off. I'm not going to lose money because like I want to swing overnight, right? If a stock is going to perform in pre-market, it has to perform well after hours. If it's selling off in after hours, there's a really good chance it's not going to perform in pre-market, right? So again, perform at the close, swing into after hours, perform after hours, and then swing overnight, right? If it's not doing any of that, then you can get rid of it. So wait, did he miss a penalty? Uh, let me look. Euros. Isn't France? Is France playing right now? Yeah, I need to hop off like soon so I can go catch the last few minutes of Dembele with the yellow card, of course. Own goal, yellow card. Okay. France. Yeah, so last few minutes, guys. Let me know if you have any last questions and then we can hop off. Alrighty. Let's do 2 more minutes. 2 more minutes. Let me know if you have any last questions. MBIO is still doing an okay job holding above the 200 EMA. So if you're watching this, watch that 69 cents. Alrighty. NDRA, yeah, that thing looks nasty. That doesn't look good, does it? So this is what I mean, right? Again, use those stop losses, please. Right? A stock has to be performing into the close to do well after hours. A stock has to be performing well in after hours to hold overnight. So don't just buy stuff and hope. Traders, are you still holding this thing? I hope your stop loss hits already because it's down 10% after hours, right? I hope your stop loss hit, traders. It's like I said earlier, like honestly, I'd rather you put that stop loss at 15 cents or slightly high. Once it crosses 16 cents, be aggressive, right? Because your 13 stop, like that thing is below 13 cents now, right? So close strong, and then after hours. Weakness at the end means weakness after hours. So you want to be very careful. Look at the entries when a stock at this point. Do you even look for entries? Yes and yes. The only issue you're having now though is that like when it runs like this, you might as well just wait for a dip, right? You know it's going to sell off at some point. Like regardless of how high it goes, it's going to sell off at some point. So let's see if it can stay above 20 cents. That might be your play. So if it can consolidate around 20 cents and then start to curl, then okay. But be very careful, please. Pretty please. Let's see, what questions are you guys asking? Oh wow, you know what's cool is what did this? I like that. Reminder. Okay. At $21, scalp, nice. Nice. And then soar is pushing. Interesting. Okay. SOAR. You cancel. Okay. Well, there goes the dip, right? So these things will always sell off. So until they're selling off and consolidating, Justin, stay away. SOAR. Huh, interesting. I think that thing just popped really quickly. Really quickly. Yeah, no, to me there's always a sign that something's gonna run after hours. And the easiest sign is a strong close. Always. So when you're holding something that's closing weak, you want to be very careful because the chances are it doesn't go anywhere after hours. ELWS. And so yeah, your next support is 1220 here for NDRA. So hopefully it stays above that level. And TRNR is down another like 15% after hours. Look at this. Like this stock was nasty all day today, right? Just weak, weak, weak. So if you're holding this thing into overnight, like you're just asking for trouble, right? Market closes, it just continues to crash. Alrighty. Joseph, come join us in Discord. Let me take a look at ELWS. Early works. That one doesn't look too bad too, does it? These guys actually had news though. 270. That last candle made brand new highs. Huh, interesting. I'll keep an eye on that one as well. Keep an eye on that as well. MBIO again. MBIO looks good. As if we can stay above that 200 EMA on MBIO, like it looks good for now. Stay above 69 cents. 69 cents is your last resort for now. If it goes below that level, then it's done for the day. Tomorrow, I don't know because we don't know if the company is going to drop an offering, so I wouldn't worry too much about it. But for now, after hours, watch 69 cents. That thing breaks above 90 cents. Come on, cook. Get it back above $1. MBIO. How did miss that?
And I would have bet my house that would ripple the net. Smart by Boba. You can't touch him because he's on a yellow. Could be a straight red if he pulls him down.
How did he miss?
Net gaping. And he will be absolutely disappointed with that.
How did he miss? I don't know how he missed that. For a second, 30 degrees. How you guys at 30 degrees and we're at like how the hell are you at 30 degrees when I'm at 11 degrees, Troy? Who said this was acceptable? Like who said this was acceptable? How are you at 30 degrees and I'm at 11? 11. 11, okay? Not happy. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. Anyways, guys, we're gonna leave it here for the day, though. We will continue in Discord. You must live in Calgary. No, I live in Edmonton. Nitro. Where do you live? Um, Regretting. New trading MBIO today at 33 cents and stop at 30 cents. The stop loss was right at support. Joseph. You would have been better off buying at 30 cents, right? You bought it at resistance, and then so this is what happened today for your position, right? Right. So let me scroll back down. This is what you did instead. You bought at resistance because 33 cents was resistance at the time, right? Resistance. See all these circles? You bought at resistance, and then you set your stop loss at support, right? You see how many times we came back to 30 cents and then bounced? Your stop loss should not be there. Your stop loss should be below that level or just buy at that level instead. right? And then after that, you could have got back in as soon as it broke about 33 cents. It actually broke 33 cents. If you're gonna buy resistance, buy when it's breaking out and actually holding. Because then you sold at 30 cents and that thing said bye bye, 60 cents, 70 cents, 80 cents, a dollar. You could have tripled your monies just from that position. So that's frustrating for you. But yep, again, come join us in Discord. Really, Troy? No, I do like the warm weather. So, anyways, again, for MBIO, right, that thing was posted in Discord this morning at 13 cents to 20 cents. So, stop missing out, right? You can see the time, right? So, really early this morning, everybody was spamming this one in Discord. So, come join us in Discord. Um, let's go, Virus. Where have you been? Where have you been? All in, Virus, for you. Ooh, look at that. A bit of consolidation there. And then Justin, and then a pop. So, NLSP with a nice little pop. Some China names are trying to move. Anyways. La, 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 la. Jay, what's your position in DMR? Let me know and I'll take a look and then we can hop off. What's your position? China. Wasn't that a... Oof, look at NLSP. That thing said, there's your dip skis, Justin. You sold so early? I know, Virus. Isn't that crazy? Yeah, I know. Damn. Jeez, that's frustrating. NLSP is back to the highs, but that almost looks like a double top there, so be careful. Sheesh, Virus. Those would have cooked. uh, France? What's France doing? Sheesh. That thing is going, NLSP. Oh my goodness, guys. Seeing that thing cook? Oh my goodness, 28 cents. Just like that. That was a really nice curl. As soon as that thing crossed back above the 9 EMA, the magic blue line, boom skis, new highs. Dang. 460, I'll take a look in a second. That's a really nice push though, guys, right? So congratulations if you bought the dip skis on this one. 460, I'll take a look in a second. 1 second. 13. There goes 29 cents. Oh my goodness. 29 and then back down. Analytics camp. Analytics. Sold them at 55, 350. Oh my goodness, Virus. BMR, you bought at 460. You're green in that position now, though, which is nice. Jay. Yeah, you're green in that position. It actually does look nice. I think you should be okay with this one and then decide what you want to do tomorrow. But if I were you, I would most likely not let this thing go back below $5. Not below $5. Right? Don't lose those gains. Sheesh! What a nice run on this one. Anybody jump into this one, guys? Anybody jump into this? Come on, NLSP. Yeah. Yeah, potentially. Yep. You had to sell. Yeah. 9 cents to a 55 cents. That's impressive. You did, GZ. Congratulations. Well done. Well done. Well done. Well done. Well done. Oh, that's funny. Ewin received the final delisting notice from a. Ewin is getting delisted. Clowns. ASNS with some news. ASNS. Yeah, no, that's still amazing. Still amazing. ASNS. Ooh, that thing popped really quickly. ASNS. So ASNS just announced that they so the company says, ooh, that thing is, oh my goodness, that thing is cooking. Oof, oof, oof. Damn, that thing cooked. So the company just announced that so major US-based IT software and services company to expand access to its cybersecurity cybersecurity meet. Most of the time, like this, all of this news, but the stock is cooking though. Oof, ooh, cooking. Just like that. News comes out and the stock cooks. Cooks. Anyways, $2 resistance though, right? So you have to jump in, make your monies quickly, and then jump out. Yeah. Nice push. So you jump in, you jump out, you take your monies, you move on. The news was posted in Discord, so 190, not bad at all. 35 cents. What do you do when it shoots up like that? If you catch the news nice and early on, you jump in, right? If you're looking at this and it's already shooting up like this, you wait for the retest. It's gonna sell off at some point and then it's gonna go, right? So if it wants to, so you basically, so there's a video in Discord. So go to Discord because I've done a video like this already that says how to play pre-market and after hours when you get how to play stocks that have news, right? There's a video in the education channel. Go watch that video. So I think there's two videos: how to play stocks with breaking news and how to play stocks in after hours and pre-market stuff like that. Because I want to go watch some soccer, so I don't want to explain how to. La, 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 la. Oh, funny, funny. It gets stowed away. Alrighty, y'all. Again, have a wonderful evening. Be safe. Congratulations if you made monies today. If you didn't, well, let's make monies tomorrow, please. Like I said, if you haven't smashed a like yet, 15 more, 25 more people smash a like. Let's get to 100. Alrighty. See you guys in Discord. If you do become a member when the stream is done, just send me an email. Email at the top of your screen there, hotratesx@gmail, and I will send you an invite. Other than that, be safe. Much love. Thank you all very much for the support. Really appreciate it. Already more than you know. So thank you all very much for the love and the vibes and everything else. Righty, much love, guys. If you have any questions, ask in Stock General or other places. And I'll catch you guys in Discord. Alrighty, guys. I'm still going to be in Discord, spamming in Stock General as usual. So see you guys in Discord, guys. Bye, guys. Bye, all. Bye, guys.